Ah, the Jaguar XJ220. Once upon a time, this sleek cat held the record for the fastest production car in the world. It was like a Jaguar decided to grow wings and challenge a fighter jet. Sadly, it didn't quite set the world on fire like Jaguar hoped, but it's still a stunning piece of automotive history. The XJ220 was powered by a twin-turbo V6 engine, a departure from the V12 originally planned. With only 275 units ever made, it remains a rare gem in the world of supercars. Enthusiasts still marvel at its design and performance at car shows around